Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Helen, and this is Tech with Helen channel. So in the previous video, I was able to share the top job sites that could actually get you that remote role as an African, and you can work from anywhere. Okay. So this is the part two of the video. This is the continuation where I'm going to be sharing the rest of the top job sites, where you can apply from and get the result that you actually need. Okay, or you don't want to waste your time in applying. I know we have hundreds of them, okay, where you can apply for job, but you also need to make use of the right one. You have to make use of the right platform at the right time in order to get the results you want. Okay, and this, please note that this job search also operates in a garbage in garbage out model. Okay, so the time you invest in job search also matters a lot, because searching for a job is a job on its own. If you know what that means, it's actually a job, so you need to invest. You actually need to be consistent. Okay, if I may ask, how many applications, if you've started already, how many do you make in a day? Are you making up to 5 to 10 applications in a day? So you have to really take it so serious. Okay, if you're ready, I'm actually ready. Next on the list is remote rocket ship. Remote rocket ship, and I'll press enter. This is remote rocket ship. Here we go. So this job site is actually an excellent resource for finding remote job. So find your dream remote job. You can see that you can actually search for 70,000 plus work from home jobs. Okay, so you're not restricted because you're in African country. Wherever you are in the world, as a matter of fact, you can unlock all features. I think that one you need to commit. Okay, but you can search for this for free. You could also click here to receive emails for remote jobs. Okay, so let's apply for DevOps engineer role from here. Press enter. For the location, let me select. You can see it also has, or you have the option to select for roles that can be done from anywhere in the world. Let me select Europe remote if I'm interested in working for a European country. Yes, so it will show you roles here. Different filters. You can also select experience level. For the date added, yes, I want to select the one that is that was recently added. Okay, and I'm seeing that already, DevOps engineer remote. I may want to click on this to read more about this and see if that aligns with my skill set and what I basically want. Okay, 2 hours ago. So you can see that this is they update this job site frequently. Okay, and one thing I like about this job site is that it doesn't just give you jobs. It also give you like some insight about which companies that are remote friendly and what skills that they demand. Okay, it also offers some guides on how to ace your remote interviews and build a compelling resume. Okay, I think you get all these benefits when you unlock all jobs and commit. Yeah, so that is it for remote rocket ship. The next one on our list is JobsPresso. JobsPresso. Okay, this is the spelling. I'll press enter, and here we have JobsPresso. I'll click on it to open. As you can see, it is specifically highlighted here. Work remotely from anywhere. Okay, if I click on browse jobs, I'm gonna see all this stuff here. Before we go ahead in session, I basically want to focus on engineering job, like DevOps engineer or whatever category you belong in engineering. So after this, I may want to specifically type that I want, let's say, software engineer role. um you may want to type the location, but if you're open to working for companies from anywhere in the world, you may want to leave the location blank. Okay. If I click on search, I'm seeing you know software engineering roles here, but I also want something recent, right? So let me check. I don't think there is a filter for selecting, jobs based on dates. You can see this one is actually open worldwide. Okay, so it doesn't really matter the country. This one specify the country, so you may want to go ahead and apply. I think they should work on making the search more interesting by adding, you know, more advanced filter officials over here. But it's a great job site for Africans, for applying for jobs that is open for everyone, around the world. And the next we have here is Upwork. Have you heard about Upwork before? Upwork is an online freelance marketplace that connects businesses and individuals with skilled freelancers from various fields. Once you get into Upwork, you'll be seeing a lot of opportunities, but it's basically for freelancing. Okay, so if you're interested in being a freelancer, you can actually go there at Upwork and you create a profile and you start seeing list of jobs there. So you can, freelancing can actually give you experience in case you don't have experience. Okay, even when you have experience, you might just want to freelance. I know a lot of people that basically prefers to freelance. So let's go to Upwork. Also, I'll be typing www.upwork.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is Upwork, and once you come to Upwork, you need to create a profile. You need to create an outstanding profile on Upwork because believe you me, I have to be sincere with you, it is actually competitive. But if you get the right skill, I believe that will be easier for you, alright? And once you've created your profile, you can then start looking for job. All right, so it's because I have a profile already, that is why I'm not really seeing sign up, but you can actually sign up here. All right, so you see an option to sign up. So after signing up, just put in your information, create your profile, and you are set to start looking for jobs. So you can see over here, once you click on find work, you see different options, like you see people looking for DevOps engineers or cloud engineer role. You can see many of them. There are actually many people looking for DevOps support. There are people that want you to help them create Terraform, configuration files. There are many people that want you to help them, with their cluster. Many of them. So there are many gigs here you can actually get started with. Like there are a lot of them, so you just have to like send in your proposal. All right, send in your proposal, and once you click on a particular job, so if I'm interested in this, I'll just select it, and if everything seems right, including their rate, because some people actually attach their rate, okay, how much they will pay you. So all you need to do is click on apply, and it will just show you how you can apply, and that is it, and you wait for feedback. All right, so this is it about Upwork. Guess the next one we have on the list. This is we work remotely. We work remotely. Okay, so we work remotely. I don't know, but I like this job site. So let's click on it. And here we go. The largest job board for remote jobs. For over a decade, We Work Remotely has been the number one site for remote jobs with 6 million monthly visitors and the world's largest remote work community. Okay, so here recruiters can post their job for this amount, but we are job seekers here. So these are the jobs we have. You could come here, find work, and click on top remote jobs searches. Here there are different categories, but then let's select 100% remote job. Okay, so there are different job listing here, and if I go to advanced jobs, okay, let's type DevOps engineer here, click on search. So from here you can actually filter this based on what you are looking for. Okay, sort by anytime. I don't want anytime. Let me select past week. For the job type, I want a full-time job. Okay. So I can see the DevOps engineer, senior data engineer roles here that are actually new. This one is five days ago. Okay, so if I click on this, it will take me to a page where I'll need to go and apply. You can see 131 applicants. You don't need to bother about it as long as you're skilled, you're experienced, and you match the requirement they're looking for. Please go ahead and apply. We work remotely is actually, I like the way they frequently post new jobs and updates and all that. And yes, it also has an option to sign up, so you can sign up. And they also have resume review service. They have job co-pilots, and all that. You can also make use of their community. And that is it for we work remotely. And the next one we have here is GrabJobs. Okay, so if you type GrabJobs, press enter, you should see find the best remote jobs, February 2025. So I'll click on this to require me to click on verify. I'll verify. And here we go. Are you looking for a remote job, work from home jobs, or work from anywhere job? On this page, you find a comprehensive list of remote job openings. Okay. So with this, you can actually get the job that you want from Africa. So let's type that we want to get DevOps engineer. So I type this and press enter, and I'm seeing DevOps engineer roles here. This one was posted 3 days ago. Make use of advanced filter option to select based on what you want actually. Okay, date posted, I want a job that is not more than 7 days old, and it will show me all the jobs as a DevOps engineer. So if I'm interested in Viva systems, I'm going to click on show more to read more about this job. I am seeing ad. I don't want ad. Okay, so this is it here. I can click on fast apply, and it will take me to a page where I need to apply. Okay, so it is asking me to log in. So that means for you to get the best out of this, you need to log in. But for you to log in, you need to sign up. So please sign up so that you can actually apply for jobs over here swiftly, and I wish you all the best. And that is it for this video. I can't wait to congratulate you. I'm going to leave you with one advice. Please pray. While applying, pray for, ask for God's grace, because grace can actually find you. Seriously, like, you have to take this serious. Grace can find you, it can single you out. Sometimes it's not just all about the skills and the experience. After all, there are experienced people that don't have a job. So I show you add prayer, and I pray that all works out for your good. I'm gonna see you in the next video.